Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to enable Google Assistant on Android. First, open your Settings app from the app drawer or home screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Google. After that, tap on Settings for Google Apps to access Google Assistant settings. Now, tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice to access Google Assistant settings. Furthermore, tap on Google Assistant from the list of options. And then tap on General to view the main Assistant settings. Additionally, you'll see a toggle switch at the top labeled Google Assistant. Tap this toggle to turn it on. After enabling Google Assistant, go back and tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now, toggle on Hey Google to activate voice detection, so you can say OK Google or Hey Google to trigger the assistant. Furthermore, you may need to retrain the voice model by following the on-screen prompts. Just say OK Google 3 to 4 times. And then, once setup is complete, you can activate Google Assistant anytime by saying Hey Google or by long pressing the Home button. And that's it. Enabling Google Assistant on Android gives you hands-free control for searches, reminders, smart home devices, and more. Let me know in the comments what you use Google Assistant for.